free online classes 2025 UTME JAM Mathematics series, where we are taking on one of the 4 topics in the first section in that mathematics game, which is logarithms. In this, we started yesterday, where we treated indices. We gave the various laws of indices. We looked at the fractional laws. We looked at the multiplication laws as it affects powers or indices in those series. Today we want to look at the logarithms with core emphasis on 2 objectives: to establish a relationship between indices and logarithms in solving mathematical problems. Number 2, to be able to solve the problems of different bases in indices. So the very first one, I'm trying to recap what we did. Yesterday, it was clear when we started this. We said, when we say 2 raised to the power, 10 raised to the power 2, which is 10 times 10, is equal to 100. And we established that it is read that this 10 here is called the basis, while here is called the index or the power. That's why, so when we want to read this, we say 10 raised to the power 2 equals 100. 10 raised to the power 2 equals 100. Now, if I want to represent this same expression here in logarithm form, I will write it as the logarithms of 100 to base 10 is equal to 2. It is read as the log of 100 to base 10 equals to 2. Similarly, we can also say that in an exponential or an index form expression, when I say a raised to power x is equals to y, if I want to represent it in a relationship that looks more like a logarithm, I will say that the logarithm of y to base a is equals to 10.